Did you know you could pick your own chestnuts here in Sydney? This farm is at Mount Wilson, which is about 130 kilometers from Sydney. Chestnut season is really very short. It lasts here in Sydney from late March until mid-April, so if you never experienced it before, then hurry up. During the harvesting season, the ripe chestnuts falls to the ground, and all you have to do is pick them up. Just make sure the nut is not cracked or soft. You can also pick them straight from tree if you see the outer shell is cracked. Make sure to carry your own gloves, as the outer shell, as you can see, is really spiky. In this farm, you can pick all you want just for $10 per kilo. They also have walnut, but most of them on 22nd March were still green. So visit the farm this season and let me know if you enjoyed it.